Hello Photoshop enthusiast. Today we have an exciting tutorial for you as we delve into the world top precision and control with pen tools. Whether you are a beginner or looking to refine your skills, mastering the pen tools is essential for creating precision selections and paths in Photoshop. So let's get started, okay? So the first thing is, let's familiarize ourselves with the pen tools and its essential functions. In the toolbars you can find there's the pen tools, and the shortcut key is the P. And we will explore its different modes and understand how to create straight paths, curves and anchor points. Okay, now let us that we have the basic down, let's move into the creating path shapes. So here I already have a background layer, and I will create another layer by using here and the right side, click over and create a new layer. Here we have now the new layers. Now I use the pen tools by selecting, and I can just use to make the draft and make the paths in there. Now you can see it can be give you here the paths and there. Okay, so you can see here, and you have the shapes, and you can also make our shapes by using the pen tools. Okay, so let me do and make the shapes in there. If I say you can make the shapes in there like this way, and you can use it. Now here we have the shapes in there. Okay, so another thing is the anchor point, our building blocks of the path. So we are discovering how to add or delete the manipulate anchor points to achieve the exact shapes you desire. So you can do this when you take the curves in there. As you can see, it comes over like here, it's minus, and you can see here it gives me the plus sign. So it will help me to make the paths or the points, like click over here and it can give me another point. And I can just click over it. Now you can see it gives me this, and you can make it this way. And if you want to use this another path by selecting here and make the points, and you can use this way. Okay, so if you want to delete this one, like you want to, so you can just click over here and it can help you to delete one. Okay, so this way you can easily create or also add or delete the points in your shapes or in your the pen tools. Okay, and now you can, if you want to move this one and want to make the any kinds of paths, or you want to make like something or the logo, you can do this by clicking over here. Or before that, let me just do it, and I can just do or use the control, and now you can see it can be movable and this way. Okay, so and it can be unstable, and like I can just make it before that, let me just select the control, and before I will just select here and make the control, and I can use this way and drag in. So this way you can use the pen tools. And there's another thing, you can also use the pen tools for the images by selecting the files and use the open, and let me choose the one of the pictures. Okay, so for this tutorial I'll use this one, and then I want to use the pen tools by selecting, and I can just easily use it, and I can just make it this way, and it can be give you the pen selections in there. Like I want to use this way, and let me just use, and I can make it here, and this make the selections. Okay, so that is, you can easily use the pen tools in your Adobe Photoshop. Okay, so and there you have it, the comprehensive guide to mastering the pen tools in Photoshop. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and that you are more confident and using powerful tools in your creative projects. Okay, so thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next tutorials.